If you need to reset your password on Grafana, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Open Grafana login page. Navigate to the Grafana login page using your web browser. This is typically found at your Grafana server's URL, followed by /login. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your email address. In the password recovery form, enter the email address associated with your Grafana account. Make sure to double check for any typos before proceeding. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from Grafana. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset link. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided. This will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password, confirm it, and save the changes. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into Grafana with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to your system administrator for further assistance.